Actually, matagal na namin inaantay ito because in order for the armed forces of the Philippines to progress and to develop its capability, we need to have a robust defense industry. Matagal na tayong gumagawa ng sarili nating baril, sarili nating bala, sarili nating mga radyo. We even manufactured our own rockets. Ang tawag natin noon, bongbong rockets. Pero nawala ito, nawala. No? So we are very happy with the passage of this law, with the signing of the law by the President this morning, because we are given hope na magiging maganda yung defense industry natin, and therefore we will be able to modernize our armed forces more effectively and faster, no? Dahil kailangan talaga natin mag-modernize kaagad.